Next is mixtures. What is mixtures? A mixture is an impure substance which is formed when particular two or more element mix together in any proportion. But in compound there is a fixed proportion, but in mixture there is a any proportion. Blood, tea, cold drink, these are the examples of mixtures. Mixture can be solid, liquid or gas. Soil is a mixture of sand, clay and various salt remain in the plant and animals. Sea water is mixture of several salt. Air is a mixture of several gases. So mixture can be solid, can be liquid and can be gas. Okay. Now properties. What are the properties? In mixture the components are mixed mechanically in any proportion. The individual component of mixtures retain their original properties, but in compounds the components are different from the component in a compound different from the component of elements, but here the individual component of mixtures retain their original properties. For example, salt and water, that is the property of salt and the property of water are retained when it produces a salt solution. Next, the component of mixture can be separated by simple physical process, but in compound we cannot separate the components, but in mixture we can separate. Formation of mixture does not involve any energy exchange. Okay. And mixture can be heterogeneous or homogeneous, but compounds always are homogeneous. Now type of mixtures. There are what are type of mixtures? There are two type of mixtures. One is homogeneous mixtures and other is heterogeneous. Homogeneous means the components are distributed uniformly throughout the mixture, that is called homogeneous. Sugar solutions. Sugar is distributed in water properly or uniformly, that is called sugar solutions. Salt solutions, milk and air, that is called homogeneous. That is the component are dissolved throughout the solutions and distributed uniformly, that is called homogeneous. Next, heterogeneous means the components are not distributed uniformly. Example, sand and water. The sand cannot dissolve in water, that is sand plus water forms a heterogeneous mixtures. Examples given: mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder. Iron filling cannot dissolve in sulfur powder, so they are the mixtures of heterogeneous mixtures. Either mixture can be gas in gas, gas in liquid or liquid in liquid. Oil and water. Oil is liquid but water is liquid, they cannot mix properly, that is called a heterogeneous mixtures. Now what are the difference between compounds and mixtures? Components are combined chemically, but in mixtures mechanically. We mix the components. Next, components are fixed ratio, but here in any proportion. And component cannot be separated by physical process, but in mixtures we can separate it. And in compounds, component do not retain their own properties, but here component retain their own properties. Okay, these are the basic difference between compound and a mixtures. Next, the table given here, look, gas and gas mixture. Gas means air, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen and other gases, that is called gas in gas. Okay, air mix with these gases, that is homogeneous. Gas in liquid, that is aerated water, means oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. These are gas in oxygen and carbon dioxide, two are gas mixed with water, water is a liquid, so it is gas in liquid which is homogeneous. So in a liquid in liquid, lemon juice and water, that is homogeneous because it is mixed throughout the solutions uniformly. Petrol and kerosene, that is homogeneous. Oil and water, that is heterogeneous. Oil is a liquid, water is a liquid, it is called heterogeneous. Oil cannot distribute it, that is cannot mix with water properly, so it is a heterogeneous mixture. Similarly, petrol and water are also heterogeneous. Now solid in liquid. Solid means sugar is a solid, water is liquid, so it is called solid liquid mixture. Sand and water, but remember sugar and water solid in liquid, but it is homogeneous because sugar distributed uniformly, that is mixed with water properly, but sand cannot mix with water, that is called heterogeneous. Okay, next, solid in gas. Solid, that is smoke, carbon particles dust and air, that is solid in gas, that is called heterogeneous. Next, solid in solid, that is brass. First, copper and zinc. Copper is solid, zinc also solid, they form homogeneous. Bronze, copper and tin, that is they are homogeneous. Steel, iron and carbon, they are homogeneous. Solder, tin and lead, that is homogeneous. My point is that solid mixed with solid, that is called solid in solid mixture. And gunpowder, that is charcoal and sulfur. You have to remember these important things. Okay, that is heterogeneous. Okay, so these are the mixtures. So what you have to do, in recapitulate, you have to read again this, and next you have to do the exercise. Okay.